Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to change the default city in the weather app on your iPhone. It only takes a few seconds, so let's get started. First, open the weather app on your iPhone. Next, tap the list icon in the bottom right corner to view all of your saved cities. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Edit List. You'll now see all of your saved locations. To change your default city, press and hold the three-line handle next to the city you want to make your default. Then drag that city to the very top of the list. Once it's at the top, tap Done. From now on, the city at the top of your list will be the default location that opens first whenever you launch the weather app. And that's it. That's how you change the default city in the weather app on your iPhone.